Hey guys, it's me, Sarah Girl 1998. So, do you really want to see me sneeze? Because I don't think you're ready for this. But you know what? Since I have like 450 subscribers, I might as well sneeze for you. Good thing I have just the thing. Just a minute. If you don't want to see this, you can just close your eyes. Alright, you guys ready? Because I don't think you're ready for what you're about to see. But here goes nothing. I could use my hair for this, but this works too. Not really doing anything. Though, maybe if I try another side. Yeah, it's not always easy to make me sneeze with one of these, but a lot of the times I manage. I'm gonna try the other one. I feel it, but it feels weird, you know. Well, I feel something, but it's something little, but nope,